Let me know. Let me check.
Sir, once you stop screen sharing, sir, बाद में कर सकते हैं आप.
स्टॉप कर दूं सर?
हाँ.
ओके.
बाद में फिर करेंगे. 1 मिनट हमारा.
यस यस.
फॉर्मेलिटीज हम खत्म कर देते.
सर हो गया.
वेलकम वगैरह अभी 1 मिनट. Yes, Chirant, we'll start.
Yes, sir. It is recording.
Okay.
You can start.
Yeah. Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Shubha Madhyana.
Shubha Madhyana. Good afternoon.
Now I request our beloved patron to start the national webinar by making a very strong, vibrant vibrations from Shankanadam. Sir, please.
Right.
Thank you very much, sir, by creating a positive vibration and aura for the national webinar and increasing our energy as well as pranavakara in our blood circulation. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request our beloved General Secretary, Dr. C. Shubha, to welcome the guests as well as audience participants. Please, Dr. Shubha.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, dear doctors. I am blessed with the opportunity to welcome you all to today's session. This time we have an exclusive flow discussion preceding the webinar. So I request all the participants to share your queries or doubts in the chat box. I warmly welcome all my seniors, colleagues, and friends to the requisite topic, COVID challenges. I would like to greet our mentor, patron of KQHDA, Dr. B.D. Patel, sir, Considerate President Dr. Shripad Hegde sir, and our beloved Chairman Dr. H.L. Swami sir. I warmly received today's resource person, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Gupta sir, with open arms to share his experiences in treating COVID cases. I cordially invite our past presidents, Dr. Srinivas sir, Dr. Praveen Kumar sir, Vice President Dr. Chirant, Dr. Deba Raje, our treasurers, Dr. Srinivasulu sir, Dr. Tripti Pai, and our joint secretaries, Dr. Sanjay Panikar, Dr. Manisha Chopra, and all other team members. Now I request Swami sir to take over to introduce the speaker. Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes,
continue.
sir.
Yes, sir. Dr. Pradeep Kumar Gupta is not a new name for KQHDA. I think you all know he is very popular, very familiar to all our members. But being today, I have to introduce formally. See, he is the, I think, one and only person who did all the 3 branches of homeopathic, MD in all the 3 branches. MD in Materia Medica,
exactly.
MD in Organ of Medicine, MD in Repertory. As per my knowledge, I think he is the only person. And he is the chairman and founder of the Naimitan Homeopathic Medical College, which is a unique, is the first homeopathic college which is recognized by the government of UP or government of India to run a homeopathic hospital. So he got the permission. So he got the vast experiences and hand-on experience on handling the COVID, both 1 and 2, first and second wave. Before he started this college, he was in the service, government service of UP. He was the medical officer and district medical officer, and he was the former deputy director of Uttar Pradesh Ayush department. So very resourceful person, vast knowledge, and he is committed homeopath. So, and very good beloved teacher for the students. We even today morning when Dr. Anirudh Verma called me, he was praising him like anything. Anirudh Verma was a former CCA member and our beloved person for last more than 3 decades. He was with us. So he was also telling you got a very good person for today's this one. So he is known name in the UP. Agra, he is running a medical college in the Agra. Very popular person in the Agra and UP, and it is even in the south here also. So I am very happy to introduce him. Sir, warm welcome to KQSDA platform, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you
Thank
to
you.
all member
Thank
of the.
Thank you, Dr. Swami. So out of all these things, I would like to say that he is the front man. The first, he has built a confidence in the homeopathic fraternity in India as well as the world to say that homeopathy can help the COVID-19. Now he is still continuing that batting. What I say that not out batting continuously without any break. The person who has built a confidence with many budding homeopaths as well as even elder homeopaths to face the COVID challenges. That is the person who say that all over India, proudly we say that Pradeep Kumar Gupta is in a front line and the man behind actually motivation to so many persons to practice homeopathy as well as encouraging the homeopaths to prescribe the medicine for this COVID, so many stages or the different phases of COVID. And he is with us today. Sir, we are very happy to see you again in our platform. We welcome you, sir. Sir, now you can start your presentations.
Thank you very much, sir.
Share, sir. Share the screens.
Thank you, sir. So today I would like to present one case that these all the cases which were I am going to present is was admitted in my hospital, Neminath Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Agra.
Atharva.
Little computer problem, sir. Just I will solve it. Yes.
It is visible, sir, now.
Sir, this is the case which we admitted in our hospital few days ago, and we discharged him 3-4 days ago, and today he came in OPD. Mr. Nitish, 35-year-old young man. His CT score, this 21/25, the most severe degree. CT severity index overall, in the last line where this cursor is here, 21/25. Even allopaths don't dare to take such type of cases. The most severe case, sir. And after that, we have also taken some more cases, 22, 23, 24 also are under treatment. And he did not need any kind of ventilator support, etc. He was only on the support of oxygen therapy and the homeopathy medicine and some fluid because he was severely dehydrated. This was the score. This was the X-ray. Diffuse haziness noted in bilateral middle lower zone with patchy non-homogeneous opacities. Massive pneumonia. He is in visitor area. So he was presented in the visitor area. I got from my chamber to meet him to see the effect of 2 doses. The first video is missing. This was the video after 2 doses of medicine. and I advise him take more 2 doses. So I instruct him take 2 more doses. This is my chamber. He is not able to express how he is. After 8 doses, he feels little better. Then I advise to get him admitted. Otherwise, we were planning to send him in some higher center because his CT score was 21/25, more severe case. But within an hour, he felt relief. So my clear message to my fraternity that homeopathy does not take time to act. We are the culprit. We don't select the real remedy and the right repetition and right potency. So after admission, he was shifted to the ward.
ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು. ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಗುಪ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್.
Patient saying in the morning fever was 102. Next day morning.
Phosphorus 0/1.
So on day 3rd, his temperature was now 100 only. From first day it was 104, second day 102, third day 100 only. But cough is very much severe. We prescribed him phosphorus in LM potency and continued the same. अब ठीक है, छुट्टी कर ले, घर पे रहो, ठीक हो जाओगे घर पे। खुले वातावरण, लोग बैठने लग जाओगे, सांस तो खुल जाती है, तो क्या होगा? बीमारी तो है, थोड़ी रहेगा। घोड़े हो गए, दौड़ने लगोगे, बीमार हो, पर ये है कि हॉस्पिटल के लायक नहीं हो। 4 दिन हॉस्पिटल में रहने में बीमारी बढ़ती है बाद में। ठीक है, कल छुट्टी कर देंगे। So he is much better, no fever since 2 days, but his lungs condition are still very bad. He is not able to sit because he start coughing and dyspnea. But I insisted him to go to home because hospital has its own hospital board infections. But patient is not ready to go. So I continued some more days. मैं रात से इन हम लोगों को नहीं आई, लड़का बचेगा कि नहीं बचेगा। और एडमिट क्यों किया था आपको? आपके पिताजी को देख के वो मुझे लगा कि बहुत सज्जन आदमी है और ये लड़का नहीं बचेगा नहीं, सभी लोग बहस करके बचा सकते हैं, सीधा वेंटिलेटर पे ले जाते और आते नहीं। समझ गए? समझ रहा हूँ। पहले दिन आप बोल रहे थे ना तो गुस्सा बहुत आएगा, मैंने कोई बात नहीं, बच्चा है माफ करो। चलिए बच गए जान, ठीक है। अभी जो मैंने बताया वैसे करते रहो, 4-4 दिन में आगे दिखाते रहो। ये 21 जो हो गया इसका हमने 23 किया है, इससे पहले हम 15 से ज्यादा ले नहीं रहे। So on 7th day he was discharged with the same medicine, phosphorus LM2, and today he also, after 4 days he came and he was much better. This is today's video. He came today.
नहीं, एक्सरे कराया था सर, ठीक है।
ठीक है,
उसमें पहले सस्पेक्टेड कोविड लिखा था, पैचेस भी कम हो गए, बाकी
ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा। क्या दवाई चल रही है?
उनकी चल रही है सर, ये फॉस्फोरस 02।
यही चला। So from phosphorus 012 to phosphorus 012 to phosphorus 2 only in 9 days, and look the gentleman how he is now. Even I was not able to spot him. So fast recovery. Twice or thrice he need only oxygen, a small cylinder, nothing else. And now he is wonderfully fit. Now I am sharing another case.
Hello, sir, Pradeep Gupta, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whether the again the CT scan has done, chest CT scan?
Sir, X-ray only. X-ray was clear.
Okay, okay,
I called him, come next time with the CT,
okay, okay, okay,
because still not resolution, my clinical sense.
okay, okay, okay,
That will take one more week, sir.
okay, okay, sir, okay, okay.
So
Thank you.
this is another case and very serious case, as you are looking everybody. He was already on oxygen when he came to my hospital. नहीं गरम जब नहीं बैठ, पानी यहाँ पी लेना। So this is the condition of the patient at the time of admission.
नहीं serious.
So patient was on arsenic 01, then 02, then 03, and in the night 04. So in first case, we proceed from 01 to 02 only in 9 days, and here we proceed from 01 to 04 only in day, to note out the severity of the case. So the attendant is saying that he is not able to lie down. He has to sit due to the dyspnea. But he is looking better. Day 3, from room, he is wandering in the hospital on the wheelchair. I am asking him, medicine से आराम है? He say yes. So on third day, I discharged him because he was quite comfortable. And now the first follow-up after 2 days. TP control नहीं हो रहा, TP में क्या हो जा रहा है? Once the patient stabilized, I let him go. My modus operandi is fever not coming since 48 hours, then I discharge the person. I think he is not in the danger. The infection has subsided. And COVID cases take much time. In the hospital, they got the opportunistic infections, so it's better to send them to the home. Follow-up 2. सांस लेना लगता है, फेफड़े में जगह हो जाते हैं। अच्छा, पहले के मुकाबले कैसे हो? बहुत सही है। थोड़ा चल फिर पाते हैं, थोड़ा थोड़ा चलना शुरू करा, थोड़ा चलना शुरू करा। मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ थोड़ा चलना शुरू कराओ, थोड़ा इनकी मालिश कराओ, थेरेपी कराओ, चलना शुरू कराओ। ठीक है ना, आ जाएंगे। अब इतना बच गए तो बच गए अभी। हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है, दवाई नहीं है बेटे।
ऑक्सीजन मास्क मतलब वो हटा दें
बिना सपोर्ट के। बिना सपोर्ट के 96 है, तो धीरे धीरे उनको हटा सकते हैं। हाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा हटा, क्योंकि आप बिना सपोर्ट के भी आपका 95 96 मेंटेन हो रहा है, इसमें मतलब ठीक है, ठीक है ना। और ये चमत्कार से कम नहीं है। ओके, when he came, his oxygen level was 62, and in 9 days or 10 days, his oxygen level is 95 without support. He is still on support, but as I shown you in the pulse oximeter, that he is maintaining 95 without support. So this is the real power of homeopathy. No ventilator can save him. No remdesivir can save him. And in 9 days or 10 days, his oxygen level is 95 without support. So, Hegde sir, may I show some more cases?
Yes, sir.
Hegde sir?
Sir, continue.
Oh, okay, okay.
You can show some more cases.
Sir, अभी आधा घंटा बाकी है सर आपके पास.
Whenever you will say, I will stop the cases, sir.
या
Okay,
सर अभी आधा घंटा बाकी है सर.
Okay, sir. Okay. So it is another case.
प्रॉब्लम हो रही है और अभी अंदर से जी मिचला रहा है, उल्टी हुई या बस जी मिचला रहा है
Oh no.
और क्या हो रही है और मन क्या कर रहा है अंदर से प्यास पहले से क्या गरम लग कैसी रही है प्यास ज्यादा लगती है। एक बार में कितना कितनी देर में लगभग कितनी देर प्रॉब्लम
So it was a case in OPD and we got admitted him. Listen what he is saying after 2 hours. I had given him HIPAA 30, frequent repetition. On the same day in the evening. Asking for leave only in day 1. So this was the case, got cured in a day only with the HIPAA 30. Look at another case. कितना था वो खाना? और खांसी है, गला भी खराब, हल्का सा, पानी की प्यास नॉर्मल है, ऐसा ज्यादा नहीं लग रही हो, गला सूख रहा हो या कुछ हो रहा हो, एक बार मास्क हटा के मुझे ये दिखा दे, क्या मन कर रहा है चुपचाप हो जाओ, मोशन सुबह आया ठीक है
हाँ जी.
he is a allopathy doctor, he is a specialist, he was with me in the government service during 87 to 90.
लेक्चर ही सुनना
Stayed in the same hospital.
कोविड के ऊपर चल रहा है ना पूरा.
And he got the fever and came for the treatment. I asked him to get admitted. Now he is getting admitted. And his son is also orthodontist and daughter-in-law also orthodontist. नहीं है, खांसी नहीं है, weakness, मेडिसिन है, बंद आंखें रखो बेटा एक एक, ठीक है, क्या चल रहे हैं? आप कैसे दवा लेते हैं I had prescribed him Brania 1M in frequent repetition. And no fever, only in a day. He's much better. Day 3, listen what he is saying. वीकनेस है, बॉडी है नहीं है, फीवर नहीं, खांसी नहीं।
ये क्यों बहनी है? सर बता और खांसी क्या परेशानी हो रही है बताइए, सर बता। और अभी सबसे ज्यादा क्या तकलीफ हो रही है वो बताओ। बुखार है, और सर में दर्द, बुखार, कंडीशन खराब, खांसी और
क्या दिया है इनको? So on the 4th day, I am making discharge. Listen what she is saying. क्या नाम है आपका? गायत्री। क्यों भर्ती हुई थी यहाँ पे? क्या हो गया था? बताओ बेटा। बेटा आपकी मम्मी है? क्या हो गया था इनको? सांस लेने में। कोविड। कोविड। कब भर्ती किया था? 25 को। 4 दिन में ठीक है? खुश हो? बिल्कुल ठीक है? ठीक, बहुत अच्छा। क्या दिया इनको मैडम? So in 4 days, from arsenic 01 to arsenic 05, and she became all right in 3 days only. 4th day being discharged. क्या हालत है?
कुछ नहीं, ठीक हो जाओगे आप। अच्छा जीभ दिखाइए फिर से। कोई बात नहीं, अभी ठीक हो जाओ।
So such a serious condition, bloody diarrhea with the fever and dyspnea. Not able to speak due to dehydration. Advise admission and she follow the advice.
Arsenic 015.
Due to dehydration, I advise drip 500 ml DNS and medicine arsenic album. Next day morning, look the happiness on the face. और इनको जो है ना थोड़ी थोड़ी देर में यहाँ से घुमाओ, एकदम हो जाएंगे, बड़ी रहेंगी तो मैडम बड़ी रहेंगी तो आपको ऑक्सीजन सेचुरेशन 92 है, बहुत अच्छा है, जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. So only in one day the patient is able to move and walk and having no fear of COVID by the grace of arsenic. Look how happy she is on third day. मैं सोच रहा लड़का कौन बैठ रहा है, मैं ध्यान नहीं दिया, मैं सोच ही सकता था कि आप यहाँ बैठे होंगे. आवाज discharge. बताइए सर कैसे हो? बढ़िया. कोरोना गया, जीत गए सर. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा. कैसे हो गया मामला सही? 5 days. तो ड्रिप भी नहीं लगी इसको?
लगी नहीं तो
जो बाकी लोग हैं जिनको ये लगता है कि होम्योपैथी और ये काम करती है, उनको क्या कहना चाहोगे? ऐसे काम करती है और ये हॉस्पिटल कहता है और यहाँ के स्टाफ लोग बहुत बढ़िया है. इधर धीरे बोली समझ नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है, एक 15 दिन के बाद कोई कंप्लेंट ना आना. ठीक है. So the patient is in 4 days absolutely all right, and 5th day being discharged by the arsenic album 30. Later on 200. Initially was given gelsemium because severe malaise, later on arsenic album. अच्छा, तो कुछ खाते रहो थोड़ा भूख तो लगेगी नहीं, तो जिंदा रहने के लिए खाना है. क्या है? Day 4 discharge. बताइए बहन जी कैसे तबीयत है आपकी? बहुत बेटर है. कितने दिन में बेटर हो गई? हो गए। कहाँ से आई हैं आप? गोरखपुर से। अच्छा 2 दिन हो गए, तीसरा दिन है आज, तीसरा दिन। 2 दिन के अंदर आपको कैसा लगा लेमिनार में? अच्छा लगा। क्या क्या चीज ठीक है आपकी अब? नहीं है बिल्कुल, बस वीकनेस है। खांसी थोड़ा है। सांस फूल रही है क्या? नहीं, नहीं फूल रही। तो जो बाकी लोग कोविड से बहुत परेशान हैं, आप भी बहुत परेशान थी, गोरखपुर से यहाँ तक बेड नहीं मिला आपको, तो उनको क्या कहना चाहेंगे? हाँ, और इस हॉस्पिटल के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? होम्योपैथी के बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए? इलाज भी अच्छा है या बहुत अच्छा है? नहीं, आप अपनी बहुत अच्छा है। ठीक। Look, she lives in Gorakhpur, 700 kilometers from Agra, and no bed available from Gorakhpur to Agra, and she is absolutely all right only 3 days. So there I have lot of cases, so I have stopped the case. Now I will come to the presentation on data. Dr. Ritu, please assist me. Share पहले मैं आईपीटी से शुरू करना चाहती हूँ। So I have shown you IPT cases. So I start with the IPT data. Thereafter, I will start the OPD data. So I am sharing the data of last 26 days from 5th April to 30 May. 30 April. This is 1st May is wrong. This was prepared on the 30 April. So total admitted cases in 25 days, 127. Total bed occupied on date 46. Today we have 55 patients because we now opened the general ward also. We have 46 rooms in our hospital and rooms are full. People are waiting. So I opened the general ward with this distance. So today I have 55 patients in my hospital. In this 127, 76 patients has been gone to their home after cure in 4 to 5 days. We have not able to save 2 people. So out of 127, 2 people died in our hospital. They came in very serious condition, oxygen saturation less than 50. We take them just to improve our knowledge that we can save them or not. Actually, their lungs were fatigued already, so we were not able to save them. So 2 people died. 1 patient, I referred him because he was also not responding to the medicine. I think I was not able to get his grasp his symptoms, so I referred him. And 2 people during treatment said that they are better and they take the discharge on their personal request. I didn't discharge. I don't think they were cured, but they said that they are better and they want to go home, and I made them discharge. So out of 127 patients, 46 on the day was on bed, 76 cured, went to their home, 2 died, 1 I referred, and 2 patients also discharged on their personal request. Average stay in hospital 5 days, 2 to 5 days. Some are also 7 days. But generally, I calculated is 5 days. Now it can be 4 days. This is nothing. Now I am going to share the OPD data. This was a brief of IPD data. This is our hospital. This is our hospital and college. Reception and all that. Yeah. COVID pandemic, wave 2, IPD and OPD management, homeopathic medicines as adjuvant therapy. I use this word because still the homeopathy is not allowed to treat the COVID. Homeopathy is allowed as an adjuvant therapy. But de facto, we are not adjuvant, we are the main therapy. Duration of this data, 5th April to 30th April, 26 days. This study is permitted and approved by the ethical committee of this institute. Design of the study as per our prior trial registered with CTRI, ICMR and as per the guidelines of CCRH. Please unmute. Somebody is talking in between. This is our registry in the ICMR. We divided this OPD data in 3 phases. Phase 1 from 5th April to 14th April. We see total 1,462 patients in OPD. Phase 2 from 15th April to 24th April, we saw 1,863 patients, and phase 3 in last 5 days we saw 1,062 cases. So total IPD cases in 25 days 4,387. Roughly per day 165 cases. As of now, we are discouraging people for normal diseases to come to the hospital. We are giving them consultation online and collect the medicine from outside of the hospital. Not allowing to come inside the hospital, but still then people are coming. These were the symptoms which we taken into consideration for the sake of prescription. Each and every patient have so many symptoms, but we have taken few symptoms to do the ease of business. Because in the epidemic, we can't take the lengthy cases. Fever, in some cases with chill, cough, dry, later sputum, sore throat, severe pain in some cases in the throat, body ache, joint pain, headache, moderate to severe, abdominal pain, distension in some cases, diarrhea, pneumonia, CT score from 8 to 22. Now we have a case 23, 24 CT score. We are not afraid now. Respiratory distress, dryness of mucous membrane. These were the main symptoms for the basis of prescription. The criteria of prescription is present, persistent and peculiar. What is present in the case, what is persistent in the case, and what is peculiar. 3 P and 3 grand rules: physical general, mental general and corrective symptoms. Repetition, as all these cases falls under urgent category. So according aphorism 247, medicine was repeated very frequently. Initially 4 doses at 5-minute interval, thereafter 10-minute interval, then 1 hourly, when overall better then 2 hourly, and when discharged then 4 times a day for a week. This is the criteria for repetition. Indication for Bryennia alba. Dry cough with pain chest, fever with body ache, dryness of mucous membranes, onset insidious, thirst, large quantity of water, aggravation, motion, amelioration, complete rest, anxiety, future about. These symptoms were taken consideration while prescribing the Brania alba. The arsenicum album is prescribed on following symptoms: burning pain, generalized restlessness, fear of death, dyspnea, better by bending forward and sitting, shortness of breath, suffocating cough, thirst, unquenched, and a small quantity. Nowadays, nobody is saying he want to drink cold water because everybody has fear that cold water can increase. So nobody is giving this symptom, but they are giving a small quantity. Rapid losing of strength and great prostration, sudden severe weakness. Indication of hyperself, pain throat. Most persistent and prominent and peculiar symptom in prescribing hyperself is pain throat. Simple one-liner symptom. Cough in paroxysm aggravated on uncovering, fever with red face, oversensitive, sweat profusely. Indication phosphorus one-liner, blood sputum. As hyper throat pain, phosphorus blood sputum or blood from any orifice, maybe diarrhea, bloody diarrhea. Larynx very painful, tightness across chest, respiration quick, oppressed, stitching pain in the chest. Indication for gelsemium, dull and drowsy, thrustless, but perspiration profuse. Headache, sneezing, watery discharge, respiration difficult, tachypnea, threatened suffocation, feels lungs are paralyzed. Arnica montana, severe headache, one-liner symptom, severe headache. Upper part of the body cold, heat, lower cold. Or face or head alone hot, body fall. Aggravation, rest, lying down, amelioration, motion. Antimptad, large quantity of mucus in the bronchi, but nothing or very small comes up. The golden symptom. Only one-liner symptom. Aggravation, lying down, night, amelioration, open air, expectoration, lying on right side, drowsiness with weakness. Out of 4,387 patients, 2,633 male and 1,754 female, 60 and 40 ratio. Zero to 18, 25%. Most severely affected, 18 to 45. 55% people are sick with this second wave. 55% people are sick. 2,412 patients has been seen in 26 days only. 879 from 45 to 70, 20% only. And in IPD also, most of the younger people are suffering. They are getting admitted. Few old people. Total 4,387 cases in 26 days so far. Here again, the Brania is the saver. 65% cases cured by Brania. 2,852 cases we have prescribed Brania with the miraculous result. In a day or two, people became all right. Arsenic album in 90% cases, 833. Hyperself in 6% cases, 263. Last wave, Hyperself was nowhere. This wave, Hyperself is representing 6% cases. Antimptad 5% cases, 222. And others 5%. In others, mostly use gelsemium, arnica, and phosphorus. 3 remedy. So far, 83% cured within 5 days time. 3,641 patients cured within 4 days. 703 patients, 15% says they are improved but not cured, is still coming. Only 43, only less than a percent said not improved. So some are under consideration and some left the treatment. Rush to the allopathy. Less than 1% patients are not improved. So results are 99.2%. Only in 5 days. IPD I have shown. Thank you very much, everybody. Now I am open to question.
Sir, you can stop sharing.
Question answer.
Sir, you stop sharing. Yeah, good. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So, wonderful presentation, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. You are not visible. You are audible. Yeah, now you are visible also.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. No,
डॉक्टर गुप्ता जी ऐसे केसेस लेकर हैंडल करना बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन फिर भी आप कर रहे हैं, बड़ी बात है।
डॉक्टर बीडी पटेल को सर मैं जानता हूँ सिंस 87। मैंने उनका बहुत सारा सेमिनार सुना है और उनसे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस गेन किया है सर।
नहीं, लेकिन इसके लिए हिम्मत चाहिए जो आपने दिखाया है।
प्रदीप कुमार गुप्ता जी,
सर,
we are very much thankful to you by sharing and giving us so much confidence and treating the from a acute to a very complicated case where the oxygen level is so low, as well as even I think CTR chest showing 22% out of 25 in such cases, even 23% cases. On behalf of KQHDA, sir, we congratulate you.
Thank you very much.
And we all give you a standing ovation, because the man who stands first to say that I have
हेगड़े जी, आपकी आवाज जा रही है।
thousands of cases of COVID and giving encourage him, and we should learn from you. Exactly. And Dr. Chirant, you can unmute and they can talk. It's an open discussion. Now the floor discussion starts. And sir, one of the or some of the questions they have asked in the chat.
Sir, we will take the chat box questions first.
And we can allow who want to ask question, they can unmute themselves and they can ask the question and mute themselves.
I think this will be better, Dr. Chiran. That is the correct one. Otherwise, you will have all the background music.
Because if we unmute everybody, there will be a lot of disturbance. Those who want to ask question can unmute themselves and.
Yes, Dr. Surabhi.
Good evening, sir. It was a very enlightening seminar. I wanted to know your opinion about drugs like Carboveg. Have you been seeing those drugs when it comes to very acute cases or patients are wanting air or fan, Carboveg, opium for sluggishness, where they are not talking properly? Any of these drugs, have you had any experience?
I had given opium in one case. But unfortunately,
sir, we can't hear you.
Okay. I prescribed opium in one case, and I hope that opium had done some good work for that person, but later on he died in the night. So I can't comment on opium. Now for Carbobase, I have given 2 people Carbobase, but it didn't work. I have also given SP Dysperma. It also didn't work. I also given the Benadian. It also didn't work. So my message to everyone: don't go on specific. Stay on your remedy, and that will work.
Thank you, sir.
Dr. Ramadevi. You can mute, doctor. Dr. Ramadevi, you can ask, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, please.
Sir, Dr. Pradeep, see,
Namaste,
in
madam.
this pandemic situation, why you are treating the patient without mask? What preventive you are taking?
Madam, lot
Anyhow,
of,
you have to take.
I think more than 5 kg
Pardon?
virus is inside me. I am doing this last 1 year. So all kind of virus make me immune. So I am not happy.
You should take care.
No, this is what I am saying. All kind
lot
of
of
take
corona
care,
is in
sir.
you.
has been attacked me, and I am immune. I have no fear. My all the doctors, all the teammates are immune to this virus. We want to show the world that this is only fear. The wearing mask is good, but it does not make you safe from the disease. So that's why
What
we,
medicine you are taking as preventive?
as per the symptom, madam, sometimes brania, sometimes centimtard, sometimes gelsemium,
Okay, preventive also you are taking as
as per the symptom. Yes, that is the golden rule.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Dr. Pradeep. Take care. Okay.
Thank you very much for your concern, ma'am, and I am very delighted to see you. Thank you.
You can raise hands at least. If somebody wants to ask some question, raise your hand.
Sir, there is a question called which potency to select in the acute cases and repetition of dose. This is one of the common question in all the platform, but still in the COVID cases, many they are worried. And in your experience of last 1 year.
Sir, my golden rule is that if the person is vitality low, then I start with LM. When I saw the vitality is little better, then I start centesimal 30. I start with LM1 and LM30. Oh, centesimal 30 in the water potency, not in the globules. And the frequent repetition, as I mentioned, according to aphorism 247. I have repeated up to 10 m frequently. So medicine as per the demand of the repetition and medicine potency as per the demand of the case, not in fixed criteria.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, thanks for sharing your experience. Sir, can you please tell your opinion on vaccination now that is started for all above 80?
Madam, already the authorities are very much against the Yaminas. So please don't ask this type of question. Otherwise, I will be labeled as anti-national. You know, this COVID, due to work of this COVID, I have not get the permission.
Sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, I have one more question, if I may ask.
Please go ahead,
To
ma'am.
the organizer,
Yeah.
how you ask?
Um, Sir, post-COVID, after 14 days, after the lung damage has happened and they are asymptomatic, but still oxygen levels are low,
I will also
up to
not
89,
comment.
90.
I will not comment of post-vaccination, madam, because
No, no, not post-vaccination, sir. I'm saying about post-COVID, after 14 days are over and RT-PCR has come negative, patient does not have symptoms, but the oxygen SpO2 just shows between 89 and 90.
only the constitutional treatment as per the totality of the person, nothing else.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, is there any medicines in homeopathy to cure corona?
Listen,
I think she has entered very late.
नहीं, रामायण सुन के पूछ रहे राम और सीता कौन थे? Dr. She.
No. Her question is, sir, it's not like the COVID patient. She is talking. No. She is talking about whether any medicine is there, whether that could be able to kill the coronavirus. That was her question. Not like that COVID patient. See, sir, see, whoever asked that question, see, the question is valid, but the thing is like that. Our homeopathic system of medicine is actually therapeutic system of medicine. We don't attack on any bacteria, any virus, or any fungus, or any other things. Am I right, sir?
100%. This is the right way.
See, that's why there is no question of the virus. We are not holding any virus and attacking on that without any harm. Okay, I think Madam got a answer for that. Now her question is valid, but she says because any particular medicine which has a effect, like a typical way the corona virus can be killed. But we see only the COVID affected or the coronavirus affected patients. I think what now Dr. Pradeep Kumar Gupta ji was explaining, these are all actually the COVID affected patients.
So Dr. Adhika wants to ask a question.
Their patients have become all right. We fight with the COVID manifestations as well as indirectly to the virus. Then patient came out of the problem. Okay, you can put your questions in the chat box or you can ask also. Sir, there is a question.
Yes, Dr. Radhika, ask your question.
Sir, RT-PCR, are you doing it for every patient, sir? RT-PCR tests, are you doing it for every patient?
I'm not government. Only government is allowed to do RT-PCR.
I agree, sir. But do you recommend everybody RT-PCR or you're taking patients only on this?
I don't increase the misery of the person. I'm a doctor.
Yes, sir.
I have
Yes.
to give the relief.
True.
If it is positive or negative doesn't mean for us.
Yes, sir.
If the symptoms are there, we have to treat the symptom. We have to
True,
use our philosophy.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I have a question. Many of the cases who are out of their symptoms within 2 days, 3 days, and 4 days, they're asking, should I be in quarantine for 14 days? Though they are completely better and back to their normal activities without any symptom. So should we ask them to wait for 14 days or can they mingle with their families?
Pradeep sir?
डॉक्टर प्रदीप जी, आपकी आवाज. डॉक्टर प्रदीप गुप्ता जी.
That is not there.
No, he is there, but voice is not coming. I think logged out by mistake.
मैंने लिखा होगा जी है री बोर्ड 2000।
It is always safe to be out for at least isolate himself for at least 10 days, if not 14 days, but doing his normal activities and all that. But see what happens is suddenly symptoms become asymptomatic, but the virus will be still alive. It is there in the atmosphere, it is there in the body. So let us not take any chances. And this virus is mutating very fastly. So anything can happen. So it's better you isolate him even without symptoms for 10 days, total 10 days, if not 14 days.
Okay.
Right?
Thank you, sir.
Any more questions?
So there is.
Yeah, few are there in the chat box.
Yeah.
Shall we?
You can just open and take
So
it.
which medicine can be given to those having persistent cough even after RT-PCR is negative?
No, this is the general question, and general answer is as per the symptoms go. It can be arsenic, it can be bryonia, it can be rustox, it can be Haepersulf, it can be phosphorus, anything that is near coming to nearby a group of drugs you can give, but you cannot give any specific like that. See, for example, vinegar, after vinegar cough is bryonia. We don't have such thing for COVID coughs. COVID is COVID, that's it.
The speaker is back, sir.
Speaker is back?
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Speaker is back?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir,
Dr.
the
Shirin
question
Patel.
will crop up. Pradeep Kumar, sir.
Dr. Pradeep ji.
Sir. Sorry I lost the connection.
Yeah. There was some problem with the network.
In your absence, I have been answering your questions.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
There's one question. What is the prevalence of positive pregnant patient?
What is the
Prevalence of positive pregnant patient?
I think it makes no difference between the pregnant and non-pregnant lady. I have seen so many pregnant ladies also, and I have seen a small kid, a 6-month kid is also infected and got cured within 2 days by bryonia only.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, the crop of the question is,
yes, sir.
COVID-19 nosode.
Sir.
You might have heard, when I think 3 days back, in one of the webinar I answered. Now I expect some comment from your side.
Sir, any nosode or any medicine until unless it is authorized by the government, number one, legal formality. Forget legal formality. Number two, the most important thing is the proving. Without proving, you can't get the symptom, and you can't. I prepared 4 types of nosode 1 year ago, but they are still in the proving. I am not able to comment that nosode is available, is have any information, or it is having proving, or what symptom is having. Only on the saying that for COVID, after COVID, we can prescribe the nosode. Sorry, I have prescribed, but no result. My own nosode.
Oh, okay.
And then still further continuation for that nosode answer I will give.
Sir.
COVID-19 nosode cannot be a vaccination for
no, never.
COVID disease.
COVID-19 nosode.
For the participants, I am giving a message very clearly.
Sir, nosode
100% right.
Sir, nosode will work post-COVIDly, not pre-COVIDly.
Yeah, no, otherwise also it cannot compensate any other vaccine or anything.
No,
Because
never.
There is a message spreading in the medias and other platforms that it can compensate the part of vaccination. That is a wrong message. You should understand.
Sir, if a person is saying like that, it means he is a very micro mind. He don't know the philosophy of homeopathy.
Sir, but sometimes we have to say what happens, they believe because some big person says that the big platform then we just believe.
We have
Taken
seen
away.
we have seen the camphora, we have seen the sepia.
You have taken up that. So thank you.
Mr. President, shall I add one thing?
Yeah.
Here, I'm talking of the COVID vaccine, what we are talking. First of all, it has not yet come into the market, number one. Number two, the COVID vaccine may work not for COVID symptoms, but for many other conditions which
Yes.
people do not expect.
Yes.
And it has to be proved properly.
Yes.
See, tuberculum is not for tuberculosis. It is for many other diseases. Like this, COVID can be a very good vaccine for us for future, for many other diseases. Not only
Sir,
for.
correcting yourself. The COVID-19 vaccine has already came in the market. That's why I put that
Sir
word.
is saying
No, market means it's not available.
Yes, sir, it is available now with some labels. Yeah, sir, I am telling. That's what I am telling.
No, sir, there is a little confusion. Dr. Patel, sir, means not COVID vaccine. He means is COVID no sort. Please.
Yes, COVID no sort.
COVID no sort. He wrongly said vaccine.
Sorry, by mistake, by buddha ho gaya yaar. I mean, sir, COVID no sort, not
COVID,
vaccine.
this COVID-19 nosode also has come to market, but what Pradeep Kumar sir said that the authority has not approved and there are so many protocols are there, they have to complete. It is a
Yes,
marketing
our
strategy.
application is pending with the DG.
CCRH.
Yeah.
CCRH level, I know.
No, not CCRS. This is another body, drug controller of the India.
Yeah.
So
Drug
our
controller.
application is pending at the drug controller of India.
Drug controller.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Radhika, you can ask question.
Otherwise, it is offense.
Yeah. Radhika, you can ask question. You should unmute.
Sir, Radhika.
Sir, any post-COVID, after recovery, any complications you have seen, sir? Because we've heard a lot of complications coming up.
Yeah, a lot of complications are coming, particularly breathlessness, tiredness, weakness, indigestion, anorexia, weight loss, but these will be dealt according to the symptomatology.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you
Yes,
so
Dr.
much.
Archana, you can ask.
Sir, can you come
Archana,
across
yes,
with any
madam, you can
cardiac
ask.
complication after this?
Pardon,
Because
sir?
cardiac complication.
No, I have not met any cardiac complications, sir. so
Yeah,
far.
because no, we see here in Bangalore some of the cases.
I have seen many patients after post-vaccination.
Yeah, that is there. Many.
Though I will not comment on that, but
No, sir, it is not a question of commenting. It is handling such cases.
Sir,
We have a challenge for that also.
I say openly to the fraternity. I say openly to the fraternity. I have lot of patients post-COVID, post-vaccination, and most of them are better by arsenicum 30. Only one day. If you will put a seminar next time, I will show so many cases, they are better in a day only by arsenicum 30 repeated doses. So use that. Any further question?
Yeah,
Archana ma'am, please.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
please. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. I wanted to ask about the homeoprophylaxis because there are different homeopaths say different remedies that could be taken as a homeoprophylaxis. I'm in Maharashtra, and I heard you say that you should take according to the symptoms in your area.
Yes, ma'am. Always this is the correct way. The symptom around the vicinity. That is a prophylaxis. No such medicine say about the I say Brania. I have fantastic result of Brania in my locality, but Brania may not suit in other locality. So
yes,
the prophylaxis at the area where you are living, and it is also guided by Hahnemann. Genus epidemicus should be selected with the lot of patients are affected with the same locality.
Okay. Thank you.
Can I add this? This is a very important message Dr. Pradeep has told. One medicine cannot be for the entire
No,
India.
never.
In general, they can suggest.
Yes.
But Bangalore has a different genus epidemicus.
Yes.
And Mangalore can have different.
Yes,
Agra can have different.
Yes, sir.
It is nicely told, Pradeep ji.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, have you used any mother tinctures?
No, sir. I consider mother tincture is not homeopathic medicine. I don't try anything rather than homeopathy. Only potentized medicine is homeopathy medicine.
Sir, what are the presentation in children, sir? The common presentation in children?
Cough, fever, headache, diarrhea, body ache, pain in the ear, and one child presented bleeding from nose, and one child presented bleeding from ear, and they were all taken care by their respective remedies according to symptomatology.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, any nosode you have used, like tuberculinum and other things?
No, sir. Nosode is not for acute condition, sir.
No, not acute condition. See, sir, last 1 year, since 1 year you are treating. Now you might have seen the same patients. One who has got a first time COVID-19. After that, COVID-20. Now COVID-21. These mutated virus and expressions are coming. Whether any role of these nosodes are there, that is my question.
If the symptom will permit me, I will prescribe the remedy. If symptoms are not permitting, I will not provide the remedy.
Good.
I don't go on theory. I am a practical man. I go on practice. And whatever I do, it is subject to scrutiny of my all students.
No, we don't have any dispute or a doubt over that. No, because practically each person has got their own systems or the protocols. In that way.
So my simple message in persistent, prominent, and present.
Sound
and prescribe. Another P added to that is prescribe on these 3 P.
Yes, sir. If anything comes to the, if any patient symptomatology comes to the tuberculosis, I will prescribe insulin, but till the symptoms are not agree, I will not prescribe. I can experiment 1 or 2 cases, but I don't prescribe.
Another common question they were asking, sir, while in the ward they have seen in the video, you and students, they are not wearing the mask.
I have answered so many times. Once again, I am answering. We all are having faith in our medicine. We go fall sick and we got cured in a day only. Only 1 day.
Sir, what is your opinion about Stanomet, sir? Have you used Stanomet?
Pardon, sir? I didn't got the question, sir.
What is your opinion about the Stana metallicum? Have you ever used?
No, never. I have not used. Because I have not found any symptom of Stana metallicum. Whatever I have used, I have explained, sir.
Yeah.
I have nothing to hide. I never hide anything. Because I am a teaching hospital. I am for teaching to the students. I do only lip service. I just say, ये दे दो, बाकी सारा काम तो स्टूडेंट करते हैं.
को लिप सर्विस नहीं कहते हैं सर, उसको माइंड सर्विस कहते हैं.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
लिप सर्विस होती है, भाई ठीक हो जाओगे, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. आप सोच समझकर बताते हो.
I listen very carefully. I listen very carefully.
वो तो क्या?
Any more questions, sir?
Maybe 1 or 2.
I was thinking that I will meet Dr. Patel in person.
क्या करे भैया?
To Dr. Hegde's home. I recently visited to Dr. Hegde's home without notice.
कब?
On a very short notice, I said I am coming to your home. And wonderful hospital.
बहुत बुरी बात है.
Next time I will come to your home, sir.
नहीं, ये बहुत बुरी बात है. बेंगलुरु आए, हमें खबर भी नहीं, और प्रेसिडेंट हेगड़े ने हमें बताया भी नहीं.
It was a short visit, sir.
नहीं, अभी उनका तो हम ले लेंगे. We'll take it for task.
Okay. I visited Hampi, so I came in the this New Year days. So when I am traveling to the airport, I just gone to the Hegde's house and such a hospitality I can't explain.
आप तो छुपे रुस्तुम हो, ये आपके भी बाप निकले. चलिए देखते हैं.
Excuse me, sir, will you share the
somebody is
online
asking question.
details? Because I'm from Maharashtra, I think Maharashtra patients can get help from it.
Sorry.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
you're
Tell me.
doing
Yes,
online
yes.
consultation,
What's your question?
I want details for online consultation, sir.
From whom?
Yes,
Because there
sir.
are so many people who are there here. All the people in this group are very active and they can do consultation. You can
Okay.
just take anybody's name, anybody's help, president, chairman, myself, Dr. Chiran, anybody. Okay, you can, or you can talk to Pradeep. They can help you for giving online consultations.
Sir, when you decide the oxygen supply withdrawal as well as this IV fluids, somebody has dropped that question.
Sir, IV fluid only in those cases, those who are, I find that they are dehydrated very much and their system is not allowing to accepting the water. They are vomiting or they are not having any desire to take the water. Only them I prescribe the IV fluid and oxygen when saturation falls below 70.
Yeah.
When it is less than 70, then I start oxygen and not continuous, just for.
No, why this question is asked, sir? Many of the participants are from Bangalore. Here, the patients have been made or they scared. If it is above the 92 only, they want to rush to the hospital and they are rushing.
Sir, I received a lady.
Panic here.
Just listen what I am saying to everyone. Please listen. I received a lady. Her saturation by 34 only. And she was quite absolutely all right, except she was sleeping during conversation. So I started giving arnica and she recovered wonderfully. So never.
What was the repetition? What was the repetition of the dose?
Pardon?
Repetition of the dose. Arnica, potency and
frequent. I have already explained in my talk 5-minute interval.
Sorry, sir, I entered late. Can you please tell me in the gist whatever the reviews and takeaway from this meeting?
Hegde sir has the recording and I will.
This in our KQHDA website, you can go through that. The recording
and also,
will be available.
And also on the Facebook, we have the live. It will be.
Facebook live also is there. And KQHDA.
Anytime you
just
can
go
read
through
in the
that.
Facebook.
Yeah.
Superb. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Now, let me tell you, Dr. Chiran, many people are visiting our Facebook even after the meeting, especially Dr. Sanjay from Chandigarh. He is telling his friends. They are viewing this after the meeting.
Yes,
Whenever they
yes,
get
sir.
time. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we
and
have
also live on Facebook this program.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
They can also follow my.
This is displaying in Dr. Pradeep Kumar Guptaji's Facebook also.
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
Because a lot of my people ask me to come. I say, okay, I am going on webinar and just will live it.
Yeah.
So,
It's a good thing, sir, because where the positive and good, strong messages go to the society and the beneficiaries, and by that we could able to serve the society in the name of homeopathy. By that we can give the what best tributes to Hahnemann and who has made us to live.
sir, I say to all the participants that many allopathic doctors are admitted in my hospital.
Great.
And many are taking drugs from OPD. So many, n number.
But they will not acknowledge it in the open.
They are acknowledging. They are acknowledging.
Let them write to the government of India, PMO's office. We are
Maybe
taking
cannot be. I can't force, but they are acknowledging.
Exactly.
And many people, many hospitals, their patients in ICU, they are recommending to visit me.
That's a good.
Yeah, Tripti, you can ask question. Tripti, you can ask question.
Sir, as you showed in the presentation, many patients do come with either fever, cough, or throat pain. So these are the common symptoms which is seen in most of the cases. So what I wanted to ask is, sir, certain people, their RT-PCR comes positive, but they are asymptomatic. So in that case, what remedy do you suggest?
Nothing. Their vital force are taking care. Until unless the symptoms are there, you can't do anything.
Any
Great answer, very
homeoprophylaxis
good
for
answer.
them, sir, like arsenic or bryonia, any prophylaxis?
Madam, just listen. Their vital force is quite vigilant. So not to disturb the vital force.
Okay.
By giving the dynamic dose. Medicine is not panacea. Panacea is the vital force.
Right, sir, right. Got it, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Until unless there is any symptom, don't prescribe.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Even a single dose. It will disturb the function of vital force.
Great, Dr. Pradeep ji, very
Yes.
rightly spoken.
Any more questions?
Very rightly spoken.
Another 5 minutes. We have a time for question answer session. If anybody wants to ask, you can raise or you can put it in the chat box. You can raise your hand.
I am seeing 31 chats are there. And I am not opening them.
Can we, can Deep's contact number, please?
My contact number?
Yes, doctor.
You see in Google search Dr. Pradeep Kumar Gupta, Agra, you will get it, all the details. Okay? Don't ask all that. Ask some doubts. In the Google you search Dr. Pradeep Kumar Gupta, Agra, you will get full details. Sir, we had a very good and wonderful discussion because where the whole country is suffering from this COVID crisis. With the so many difficulties we are facing, and by hearing you, I think many of us as well as participants got encouraged once again to face or treat and manage the COVID cases. I hope everybody will agree with me. And he is in the beginning only I told he is a batsman. He is on the field and he knows practical things. He may not be making any buttering of the things and presentations he will not do. And I know if there is a 10 things are there, he will talk only the 5. That is the simplicity of this man. And I think he is the first man who has built a confidence in homeopaths that we can treat successfully and completely the COVID cases. That's why I appreciate you, sir. I congratulate you. Whether the government or a government body recognizes you or no, that is not a secondary. But the public, the patients who are benefited from you and from your institute, naturally, they will recognize and they appreciate. And we are very proud about you. You are with us today and we're all privileged to say thank you to you, sir. Because in your busy schedule, even I know you will not take a rest on Saturdays, Sundays, 24/7. I appreciate, even I think we should know the secret of his vital force strength. I don't know how he works. Whenever you see, he is on tip of his toes and so active, busy, guiding either international students or Indian students and many juniors or the followers. That is the spirit I think one all homeopaths should carry or learn from Dr. Pradeep Kumar Gupta. Sir, we are very proud of you.
Thank you, sir. I say only one word to all the participants. Please listen very carefully. Forget COVID. If you will have a mind, preoccupied mind, that the animal is prejudiced, if you put COVID in your head, you will not able to find a remedy. Just listen the patient. Just listen and care and ask the patient symptoms. It may be aconite, it may be bryonia, it may be sulfur, it may be, and from aconite to ginkgomate, you can find your remedy by listening. So forget COVID, forget RT-PCR, forget CT. I say to the attendant and patient, keep shut your mouth till I am asking my patient. And nobody will show me the report. Report, see my all juniors, not me. I just briefly interact to the patient in a minute or two. And I say, give this medicine. So I again emphasizing, don't allow COVID fear in your mind. Nothing is COVID. The symptom is the key for prescription. So that may be the dryness of mucous membrane, hoarseness in the throat, cough, etc., etc. So believe on your knowledge of materia medica.
After the live streaming, you can see the whole recording.
Subha, unmute yourself. Sir, what is the mindset, sir? Can you able to highlight just 1 or 2 minutes that on psychological basis any prescription have been made?
Sir, can unmute.
Sir, unmute yourself. Pradeep ji.
I have few cases where psychological disturbance I found. A lady came, lot of beeping. I say, what happened to you? She said, my brother-in-law died. I say, okay. Give him magnesia. In another case, a lady came. He was weeping. I said, what happened to you? My husband died. I gave him aconite. So you have to differentiate. Either you have to give magnesia or aconite or gelsemium. This is again on the symptomatology of the case. So frightened once, aconite, continuous fright, fear, ignesia, gelsemium. And people are having a lot of fear to see me unmasking, and I shake their hand and I put my hand to people, they became absolutely all right without medicine. So this is the power of vital force. That's why I don't wear mask. I visit each and every patient on bedside. I inquire his health and I talk to that person and I put my hand definitely to that person. And thereafter I wash it with the rectified spirit.
Transmission of vital energy.
Yes, sir.
Good, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you for your the experience and the moral encouragement as well as practical knowledge and clinical facing of the practically difficult cases and giving us a boost as well as very good strength to our knowledge. We thank you very much on behalf of KQHDA. Now I request our Vice President, Dr. Chirant, to give a vote of thanks. Dr. Chirant.
Thank you, sir. I, Dr. Chiran, the Vice President of Homeopathic, Karnataka Qualified Homeopathic Doctors Association, would deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this very special occasion. First and foremost, I would like to thank Dr. Pradeep Kumar Gupta, the principal of Naiminath Homeopathic Medical College, who in spite of his very busy schedule, he has found time to grace us with his experiences and boosting the confidence in the young homeopaths to take up the COVID cases confidently and treat them. I'm sure that many more homeopaths today who have witnessed this national webinar would definitely take up their cases in their clinic and would be successful and would be beneficial for the mankind. Next, I would like, thank you very much, sir. I would like to thank our patron, Dr. B.D. Patel, for giving a positive start for this national webinar by Shankunada and for his able guidance and continued support to all of us. We would like to thank our chairman, Dr. H.L. Swami, for introducing today's speaker and for his support in organizing successfully all the webinars through our association. I'd like to thank our dynamic president, Dr. Shripad Hegde, for being the moderator for today's webinar, also for his hard work, support, vision, and commitment in taking our association to national and international levels. Thank you very much, sir. I'd like to thank all our vice presidents, our secretary, Dr. Shubha, all the joint secretaries, regional secretaries, our treasurer, Dr. Trupti Pai, and all our executive members. Last but not the least, all the participants of today's webinar and all of you who are not the life members, I request to become our life members. For more details, kindly log into www.kqhda.com and visit our page kqhda.india on Facebook. Meet you all in the next webinar. Thank you all. Thanks once again.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Namaskar, sir. Pradeep ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for inviting me.
धन्यवाद.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Charanjit, you can close.
Yes, sir.